Hey, this is Matthew with Dreams Reborn. We're going to be cleaning a Blackstone Griddle today, a 22-incher. We made hamburgers with barbecue sauce. It's sticky and messy, and I'm going to tell you how to get it perfectly clean and lubed up for the next time. The first thing you want to do is turn on the heat to low. This is barbecue sauce, so it's sticky. Take your scraper and run it across the griddle and feel for bumps. And if you feel a bump, scrape it off. The next part's controversial because there are a lot of people who say don't put water on a Blackstone. I learned how to do this from the Hungry Hussy. If you've never heard of him, he has a great Blackstone YouTube channel, and I'll put the link down below if you've never heard of him before. His channel taught me how to do this. Temperature's on low. Grab you a clean paper towel, something that's not going to just rip apart. And you're not really scrubbing, you're just kind of pushing the water around. And this is going to get really nasty looking. The paper towel will. When you have a Blackstone, you'll go through a lot of paper towels. See? Look at that. I do this 3 times. Not putting a lot of pressure down, just gently wiping the water away. Getting better. You can hear the water sizzling. The steam is what's cleaning it. And if you were to just leave the water on there, it would rust it and ruin it. So stick around and I'll show you how we deal with that. Now I use a terry cloth towel. I only use these for the Blackstone. Eventually they're going to get stained. This one has stains on it, but I wash them by hand and then I put them through the washer. If you're not comfortable with this, use tongs. You don't have to use this. Pick this up by your hand. Be careful, please. I'm not scrubbing. I'm just pushing the water around, letting the steam clean it. Make sure you get the water in the corners. Likes to hide. Alright, now we're going to leave the heat on long enough for this to become bone dry. So just wait a couple minutes with this on low. Alright, this looks dry. I need to reseason this eventually, but we're not there yet. So we're ready to turn the temperature off. So these are off. Then I have one more paper towel. This is probably the most important step. You're going to condition this for storage and for use for the next time. This is a 22-inch, so I just put a light drizzle. Be careful, you can use tongs if you're not comfortable doing this by hand. You want to get every square inch of this thing, every corner, every nook and cranny. You've let the water dry. This is going to prevent your griddle from rusting. And it's going to help keep building on that natural non-stick surface that we love about the Blackstone. So the next time you go to use this, it's going to be all ready for you. Get the outside, because food splashes. There we go. See? Nice and shiny. Close it up. You're done. That's how you clean the Blackstone. There are many different opinions on how to clean it. I learned mine from the Hungry Hussy. It's always worked for me. I've always done it exactly the same way ever since I learned how. And I've cooked some really sticky, messy things on here. And it always looks just perfect by the time I open it up for the next time. So it's not rusting. It's not in bad shape. You can clean it how you want to, but this is how I do it.